Oh yeah, and here now, yeah, it has haptic feedback. Oh, this feels crazy. Oh yeah, wow, and I could really just let it go. This feels crazy. This is just more immersive, or I'm surprised. This is really cool. Yeah, MRTV, here we are. You can never clean this board again. During my latest VR adventure to Tokyo, Japan, I had the chance to visit the DiverX office. DiverX is an up-and-coming VR startup that specializes in VR gloves that not only bring your hands into VR, but also increase immersion by giving you haptic feedback. But what really caught me by surprise is that they even have a controller module that attaches magnetically to the gloves and give you full index controller parity, allowing you to play all of your favorite Steam VR games with these gloves. Now, during my visit, I had the chance to go hands-on, see what I did there, with those gloves, and that was absolutely not what I expected. But see for yourself, so absolutely stay tuned, watch the whole video because all its goodness is coming up. And I'm here at DiverX with Yamato and Kai. Could you quickly introduce yourself?
Yeah. Hello, my name is Yamato, CEO of DiverX. Nice to meet you.
I'm Kai. I'm in charge of marketing stuff, like conventions.
And YouTubers. Perfect.
It supports more precise inputs from the sensors as well.
This is so cool.
And this is the external controller module.
Wow, so you can directly just also use any games, right? Like VR chat. That's what it's all about here.
Yeah, it emulates in the console.
Exactly, it emulates index controllers.
So it can be detected as SteamVR controller, like this one.
Yeah.
And it works perfect in SteamVR.
So this is cool. So basically, it just is an index controller connected to the glove magnetically here at this point.
When you punch the wall or table, it's automatically.
Okay.
So
so it will not break.
Yes. Our goal is based on the gesture input. When you bend your index finger, it makes trigger.
Ah, okay.
And when you bend 3 fingers, it makes grip.
Ah, wow.
And here is joystick and AV system.
Yeah. That is so interesting. Nice. And are these already on the market?
Yes, of course.
It is.
Same way today.
Also, this is the new model back in September. And we designed the whole glove.
Yeah, right. So you can still feel something with your fingers.
Right.
Okay. Cool. I really like this. This idea is so good.
Yeah.
This is really good. Wow. This is with trigger.
Yeah, we are working on the new controller module as well. It comes with the trigger.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
And much larger module.
Okay, yeah.
Module.
The buttons are bigger, right, than just now.
Yeah, and additional buttons for trackpads.
And what is here? What is this?
It's for the position.
Yeah, right.
It comes with a haptic module.
Yeah. Okay, nice. So when is this going to come out, or is it already out?
It's already out. Yeah, you can pre-order it.
You can pre-order it.
And we are planning to ship it in December.
Okay.
But we are still working on the external haptic module also.
Yes, that would be nice to have some feedback here as well, right? In the fingertips. And what is this?
It's a sensor inside.
Okay. Great. So interesting.
Okay.
This is surprisingly light. This I totally didn't expect this now. This feels just like your biking glove.
Biking glove.
Yeah. You know, like
this is a medium size, so it might be smaller for you.
It's okay. You know, I'm really excited about this. This is it feels like a future technology. Like I'm in the future now. Like, and this can only happen in Japan. This cool stuff, really, this cool stuff, you will not find it somewhere else. Only in Japan. because you guys are just as geeky as me, which I love it. Okay, this is cool. This is great. Yeah, nice. Okay, this is also lighter than I thought, actually. Not so complicated. I've seen some other gloves where if it was complicated to get in, you know. But this is just like a normal glove, normal little glove.
Okay, so maybe carry.
Ah, yeah, this is cool.
録画開始するんでしょうか。
This is great. So here are my fingers, and I can tell they are nicely tracked without hand tracking, but just with
録画開始してないけど。
just with. Oh, cool! Look at this. Oh, this is nice. Okay, so now you can see what I see, and yeah, as you can tell, my fingers are tracked. The bending works perfectly. And yeah, this is not optical tracking, optical hand tracking. This is now simply using the gloves, which is cool. Cool. And because now that is the interesting part, because I have that little joystick. Yeah, I can simply walk around in VR. So yeah, for example, in VR chat, I can simply walk around like this, and there's even some buttons that I could use. Nice. Cool. Oh yeah, and here now, yeah, it has haptic feedback. Oh, this feels crazy. Oh yeah, wow, and I could really just let it go. This feels crazy. But I'm not hitting anything, but it's okay. I want to hit this one. No. Wow. It's cool that you also have this haptic feedback. Wow, this is great. Oh, nearly hit it. Oh, damn. My aiming sucks.
Oh.
Yeah, I think I hit it. Yes. Yes, I hit it perfectly. Look at this. Yes, again. What did it say? Some Japanese, but it's okay. Wow, this feels fantastic. And the great thing is just that, I'm not holding any controller in my hand. That is the cool thing. Wow, that is really interesting. Look at that. Getting better here. Yes.
Nice aiming.
Wow. Okay, wow. I love it. Okay, and what's here? Can I just take the earth? Okay.
投げると犬が持ってきてくれる。
You can toss it to the dog.
Ah, right. The ball? Yes, come here. Give it back to me. This works so well. So this is the gesture now already grip, right? Like this. Wow, this works so well. This works so well with the grip gesture.
On
Yes.
the table.
それ机にトントンしてもらって、ハプティク
And
スを
use it as a drumstick to the table. And you can feel the vibration.
Ah, yeah, I can really, yeah. Here. Ah, here. Yeah, that's cool. Also, when the dog touches the bone, I can also feel it here in the glove. Nice. Yeah, that works well. That works really well.
Can you grab the pen?
Yes.
And
Write
write
something.
MRTV?
Yes. Oh, this.
Yes,
This also.
you can clean the board with eraser.
Yes. Also here I can simply feel the haptic feedback. It feels really good. It it's just a different feeling than using a controller. You know, with a controller, I know, okay, my hands are not really in VR, it's just the controller that I hold, which represents my hand. But this is more like, okay, my hands are in VR. This is just more immersive, or I'm surprised. This is really cool. Yeah, MRTV, here we are. You can never clean this board again. Let's do this. Wow, this feels great. MRTV, Sebastian. Wow. It feels so immersive to hold that stick. I had not believed it before. Whenever I saw this kind of, gloves. This is great. Yeah, this is impressive, guys. Really love it.
Thank you. Yeah. Thanks for the demo.
Yeah, okay, perfect. Wow, this is fantastic. Fantastic demo. I love it that they have this here, that you can simply, use the joysticks whenever you want. But if you don't want to use them, okay, then no problem. You just have your hands in VR, and that's that. So these are just called like your company, DiverX?
DiverX.
Okay, DiverX. I can recommend them to you. Wow, I'm surprised right now because I didn't expect that I would like gloves.
Thanks so much.
Yeah, because I thought like, okay, you have now hand tracking, optical hand tracking, then probably you don't need them anymore. But actually in SteamVR, obviously, you still need them, right?
Yeah.
And then also the haptic feedback though. That is the cool thing.
Yes.
That is really, you cannot get this with optical hand tracking, right?
Yeah.
And even now with the little with the little controllers. Okay, really, only in Japan. This stuff, this is so cool. This kind of, you have this, you like to solve problems, like little problems, but you solve them in a cool way. That's really like very special about Japan. I love it. So, yeah, DiverX. And where can people buy that now? Diver-x.com, or what is the website?
Yes, diverx.jp.
That makes sense.
Yes.
Diverx.jp. I'm going to put a link down in the description of this video. So, in my opinion, if you want full immersion into VR chat or any other thing, put your hands in VR. This is a great solution, and in my opinion, $500 is a fine price for this. Of course, it's not cheap, but for feeling immersed and writing something, really feeling your hands are there, that's a thumbs up from MRTV. Nice. Yeah, thank you so much for the demo.
Thank you.
All right, there was a really cool afternoon here at the DiverX headquarters in Tokyo. So thanks so much for showing me your products.
Thanks for visiting.
Yeah, that was really cool. I'm very impressed with what you're doing here. And I'm sure that our viewers are going to be super excited now to try out your DiverX as well. So that's definitely something that I'm going to feature more on the channel, since I didn't expect it to be so good, so immersive. So DiverX, check them out. I'm going to put the website down into the description of this video, so you can simply check it out for yourself. And very, very nice first impression. So again, thank you guys for showing this to me.
Thank you. We're gonna do a demo at CES as well.
Oh, perfect. Then we're going to meet it in CES again.
Right.
At CES in Las Vegas. Perfect. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Lots of stuff in it. And if you did, give it a thumbs up. And of course, if you have not yet subscribed to MRTV, absolutely do that now and click on the bell button so that you don't miss anything. And I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.
Thank you.
Okay, wow, that was great. What a cool demo. Much better than I thought. I'm going to cut this part out, but wow, this is fantastic.